Data science. Data science is a field that studies data and the ways it can be transformed into valuable input and resources to create business and IT strategies. This is a science that combines domain expertise, programming skills, and knowledge of mathematics to extract insights from the large and ever-increasing volumes of data collected by organizations. What is big data? Big data is a term used for any data set that is large or complex to be processed by traditional data management techniques such as RDBMS, Relational Database Management Systems. It involves the methods of analyzing large amounts of data and extracting knowledge from it. Data science and big data have evolved from the traditional data management and are now treated as distinct disciplines. Any data set can be considered as big data if it possesses at least one of the following 4 V's. Volume, large volume of data. Velocity, data movement at high velocity. Variety, diversity in the types of data. Veracity, data obtained from authentic sources. Categories of data. We come across different types of data and we need different tools to work on this data. Let us take a look at the different types of data. Structured data. Such type of data is stored in the database or within tables of Excel files and is typically found in data models. Unstructured data. Such type of data is not easy to fit into any data model such as Word files or emails. Natural language data. It is a type of unstructured data and is very difficult to process. The meaning of same word changes depending on the mood of the speaker. For example, the same word could have 2 different meanings when spoken joyfully or when uttered in a sad way. Machine-generated data. The data generated by a computer or any other machine without human intervention is called machine-generated data. It is becoming one of the major sources of data. Graph-based or network data. The data that is generated from a relationship or agency of objects is called graph-based or network data. Such type of data is found on social media websites and is a natural way to represent networks. Audio, video, and images. This type of data is the biggest challenge for data scientists because finding objects and patterns turn out to be a challenging task for computers. Streaming data. Streaming data can take any of the aforementioned forms. It is not a different kind of data, but it flows into the systems instead of being loaded into a data store in batches.